Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Real World English podcast. I'm very happy you are here today. My name is Tim, and I'm your English teacher and friend. Today's lesson is called Think in English. In this lesson, you will learn how to think in English using slow listening and shadowing practice. This lesson is perfect for beginner and lower intermediate learners, A1 to A2. You will learn how to stop translating in your head, how to think with simple English sentences, how to speak more naturally and confidently. Please relax, listen slowly, and enjoy the lesson. Many learners think like this. First, they think in their own language. Then, they translate into English. This is very hard, and it is very slow. Today, we will practice thinking directly in English. We will use simple words, short sentences, daily life ideas. Thinking in English means this. You see something. You think in English. You speak in English. No translation. For example, you see a cup of tea. You think, this is tea, it is hot, I like it. Very simple, very natural. This is how children learn. And this is how you can learn too. 3. Examples. Now, let's look at some easy examples. Listen first. Do not repeat yet. Example 1. I am at home. I feel relaxed. Example 2. I am walking. The weather is nice. Example 3. I am hungry. I want some food. Did you hear the sentences? They are short. They are clear. Now listen again. I am at home. I feel relaxed. I am walking. The weather is nice. I am hungry. I want some food. This is thinking in English. Now it's your turn. We will practice together. Please listen and repeat. I will speak slowly. Ready? Phrase 1. I am at home. Pause and repeat. Good. Next. I feel relaxed. Pause and repeat. Nice job. Next phrase. I am walking. Pause and repeat. Very good. Next. The weather is nice. Pause and repeat. Great. Now let's practice thinking. Listen to the question, answer in your head, then say it out loud. Question, where are you? Example answer, I am at home. Your turn, pause and speak. Good. Next question, how do you feel? Example, I feel happy. Your turn, pause and speak. Excellent. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Mistake 1, thinking too much. I am feeling very much happiness today because this is too long for beginners. Correct way. I feel happy today. Simple is better. Mistake 2. Translating word by word. I hunger feel. Correct English is I am hungry. Remember, short sentences, simple words. That is perfect English for now. Now let's listen to a short story. Please just listen first. Anna is at home. She is sitting on a chair. She has a cup of coffee. She thinks, I am at home. I feel calm. The coffee is warm. I like this moment. Now let's do a short role play. Imagine this conversation. Person A. Hi, how are you? Person B. Hi, I am fine. Person A. Where are you? Person B, I am at home. Person A, how do you feel? Person B, I feel relaxed. Simple, natural, real English. Let's review today's lesson. Today, you learned how to think in English, how to use short, simple sentences, how to practice with slow listening and shadowing, key phrases to remember. I am at home. I feel happy. I am hungry. The weather is nice. Say them again in your head. Think in English. You are doing great. Now it's your turn to practice every day. Think in English when you wake up, walk outside, eat food. Please write one simple English sentence in the comments. For example, I am learning English. If you like this lesson, like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow the podcast. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep going. You can do it. See you in the next lesson.